Hi everybody, Sandra here from createinspain. Today I have a project which I designed specifically with beginners to scan and cut in mind. It's going to allow you to make a really nice card but without too much effort, and even if you're a beginner you should be able to cope with this. So this is the back of my card and it's got holes cut in it. And hopefully you can see on camera I have little lines drawn around the hearts, and I have just a simple Valentine penned in gold ink as well. Now I've got some score lines here, so fold the score lines. See, this is going to be so easy to put together, and I've got score lines there. So we have our back of our card, which is going to be like that. Now the front of the card is this one that just says "Be Mine," and I have a red heart which I'm going to be sticking on here. So I'll stick my heart on. I'm using Eileen's Fast Tack because I found that that seems to do a pretty good job and it stays stuck pretty even, I think. Yeah, that I think should do the job. Press that down. Now I have a piece to go behind here as well, and I'm going to put some glue on here. Now when you're putting a piece on the back, this serves as a double purpose. First of all, it is going to provide colour behind the cutouts, and secondly it's going to give you somewhere to write your message like that. So there we have the back of the card, and there we have the front of it, which is going to go onto these flaps here. But we have another piece which goes inside, and this piece here also has got the score lines, dash lines cut. This is going to go in here. You can put it wherever you like, really, it doesn't make too much difference. At the moment I'm only going to glue one side down, and there's a reason for that which will become obvious in a moment. Now what I've got here to act as my wire is actually fishing twine. Because these hearts are very small and therefore quite lightweight, I'm thinking I can probably use fishing twine to hold them up. So let's give this a shot. Rub the edge of the brush against the tip and then put it down onto your little heart like that. Now I've got all my hearts on their stalks, I'm going to put some double-sided tape on this side of my little bar that goes across. So this is now very sticky, which is ideal. Now with these facing the messy side up, I want to lay them onto the tape. There we go. So those should be secured pretty well, and I can just cut off the stalks from the bottom. I put the glue on here, and then fold that. And then when it opens up, it's in the right place, okay? Now you want to make sure that that is well glued down because you don't want it coming apart. So then this gets folded down flat, and then this piece here goes on there. Now that should have been exactly the right width, and for some strange reason it isn't. That is really weird. I must have plugged in the wrong measurement for that. Not to worry, not to worry. I will amend the file so that it is the correct width, but that front piece needs to go on. So here's the finished card with the floating hearts. I've amended the file so this front piece is now the right width. I don't know how it managed to get itself narrowed. And it's quite easy to do. If you don't want to bother doing the hearts, then you don't have to, or you could make bigger ones and put them on strips of acetate. It's entirely up to you, but it's a good card to practice your skills with, and I will see you again soon. Take care now.